own file system to this interface that I made. All you need to do is install the repository and run it like this. And after that, you will see that the file systems in your website are actually gonna be tied to the file system of your computer. So you can see the documents here, docs, and this is all that's in there. And it's completely in sync with what you see here in the user interface. So whenever you once you do that, you'll be able to execute prompts on the files and on the selection in your file. This enables you to quickly do prompts and try prompts on big data sets or a large amount of documents. We are gonna have a feature where you can apply a prompt on an entire folder instead of doing it on a single file even. But for example, here we have a file, the welcome file, and you can see all the variants here. So there's different variants of those files that were created by these prompts. For example, a story with more emojis, or a conversation between Rick and Morty, where Rick teaches Morty the thing that is said in the file, or maybe a list of keywords. Maybe I want to see it in Portuguese, or I want to add an emoji on every sentence only. Of course, the possibilities are endless of ChatGPT. You already seen that probably. But yeah, this is what makes it possible to apply ChatGPT on your own context, on your own file system. It also works really well with selection. So when you select something, for example, you have a paper that you're reading and you want to know what this word means in this context, or you want to know what the relation is of this word in this text in related to this other text or whatever, you can ask anything based on a selection. So you select what you want to ask something about, then you fill in your question and you get an answer about the question, about the selection in relation to the file. So this is what I have now. Hope you like it. Yeah, please install it and try it out on your own files. It's completely local. The prompts are never going to any backend because the server is on your own computer. Yeah, so I hope you like it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.